Most creators spend 2 years building an audience and then they wonder why is nobody buying anything that you're building up. So it's not a content problem, it's not a niche problem, it's not even a consistency problem. The actual problem is attention, and specifically, it's a failure to understand that there are only 3 complete different types of attention and only one of them is the one that builds a business. So here is what nobody in the creator space will say it loud. You can have a million views and 0 leverage. You can go viral on Tuesday and by Thursday you are irrelevant again. So this is not a bad luck problem, this is a structural problem. The reason it happens is that most creators treat all attention as the same thing and they optimize for reach. They celebrate viral moments, they refresh the dashboards, but reach is not a business. Views are not an asset and the platform's algorithm deciding to show you to a stranger, that is not a relationship. So that is what, it's just a transaction and it ends the moment the video ends. The creators who build real business figured out that attention has a hierarchy, 3 levels, completely different economics, completely different strategy. Level 1 is the traffic, which is also known as the borrowed attention. So traffic is attention that does not belong to you. It exists because an algorithm made a decision momentarily to show your content to a stranger person. That stranger did not seek you out, they did not choose you, the platform chose for them. When the video ends, the relationship ends. Traffic is not worthless. It is the raw material that everything else is built from. But on its own, traffic has a shelf life measured in hours. It doesn't compound, it doesn't return, it cannot be activated. A creator who only accumulates traffic is building on rented land. Every impression subject to the platform's next update. So traffic answers one question: how many people saw this? That question cannot build a business. And then comes the level 2, which is the audience, also known as earned attention. An audience forms when someone makes a deliberate choice to come back to see your content. They subscribed, they followed, they opted in. That is a fundamentally different psychological act than passive watching a viral video. They are no longer being served your content, they are choosing to receive it. This is the first real asset a creator builds. So once someone follows you, you have a distribution that exists someone independently of any single piece of content. You can announce something tomorrow and reach people who already trust your perspective. So traffic cannot give you this. But here is a silly most creators miss. An audience is still a consumption relationship. People are present for what you produce, not for who you are or what you stand for. An audience gives you reach, it does not give you a movement. An audience answers one question: how many people came back? Better question, still not the business building one. And then comes the level 3, which is community, your own attention. A community forms when members start interacting with each other and not just with you. That structural shift is what most creators never achieve. The relationship stops being one to many creator to viewers. It becomes many to many, members to members, with the creator at the center. In a community, members identify with the group, not just the creator. They would stay even if you went quiet for a month. The community becomes self-sustaining. This changes the economics of your business entirely. So a community does not merely consume, it participates, it defends, it debates, it contributes and recruits, and your audience itself becomes a part of your own distribution system. So community answers one question: how many people stayed for each other? And that third question is the one that builds a real business. So let's talk about the mechanism why creators get stuck. Traffic to audience to community. This is not a funnel, it is a trust escalation. Each level requires you to give the audience something worth escalating for. Traffic becomes your audience when the viewer believes, I want to see what this person is making next. Audience becomes community when the member believes people like me are here. So the first transition is about consistency and the point of view. You must have a recognizable perspective that makes returning feel worthwhile. The second transition is about identity. The community must represent something the member wants to be associated with, not just a person they want to watch. Most creator advice focuses obsessively on the first transition and ignore the second entirely. And that is why there are thousands of creators with large audience and a thin business. So here is your diagnostic. Be honest with yourself. Where does most of your attention is currently living? If most of your attention is traffic, you have a distribution problem, not a content problem. If most of your attention is audience, you have a conversion problem. You haven't built the identity yet. If most of your audience is community, you have a leverage problem. Scale it and monetize it. Do not confuse subscriber counts with audience size. A subscriber who never come back is traffic wearing a costume. Engagement tells you more than reach. Comments tells you more than views. The third questions that diagnose where you actually are. 1. Do people come back without being reminded? 2. Do people in your comments talk to each other and not just to you? 3. Would your community survive a month of silence from you? If your answer to all three is no, you are still at the traffic. That is fine. That is the starting point. But calling it an audience is the mistake that cost you years. So this chapter does one thing. It gives you the vocabulary to diagnose where you actually are in building a creator business: traffic, audience, or the community. 3 types of attention. One that builds a business, but knowing the hierarchy does not tell you how to build each layer. It does not tell you which platforms to use, what content to make, or how to structure the business behind it. That is what chapter 3 is for. Chapter 3 is called as the creator business stack, and it maps out every layer of what a real creator business is built from. If you haven't read the book yet, the link is in the description. If you have, chapter 3 video drops next. Don't miss it.